What is up guys? So, and we're back at it again. Show the number 4 MTG Classic. Ito yung pinaka-first na MTG Classic na competition. Expect nyo na yung mga naglumaro ng nationals. Lalaro din sila dito. Kasi mataas din yung cash prize din nila. 300k for the overall ng men's physique. Tapos 200k sa classic physique. 12 o'clock na. Dapat nung kaninang 9 pa kami nakadating doon. Pero too late na rin kami gumising eh. Tignan natin. So, konting kwentuhan lang tayo guys. Yung loading natin sa show na ito dapat front load siya. Pero yung katawan natin, sinunod niya kaagad yung glycogen tapos nag-flat ulit ako. Sinimulan natin yung front load natin nung Sunday. Tapos nag-taper down tayo. Pero napansin ko na flat ulit ako kaya kailangan ko ulit ibalik yung carbs. Parang nag-depletion na ulit ako. Ganun. Tignan natin kung anong gagawin natin based sa condition, di ba? What is up guys? So, kakagising lang natin na nung check-in namin sa hotel. Bagsak talaga ako. Diretso na ako natulog nun. Okay, so, and kakatapos lang nung athletes check-in. Nung nakita nyo yung video nung kanina. Ang daming tao. Nung pagkarating namin, nakatulog ka agad ako kasi talagang pagod na ako. And hindi maganda talaga yung tulog ko for the past few days leading up to the show. So, oras ngayon is 1 AM and nakita ko yung post and yung mga restory ni MTG Classic. Grabe. Dami talagang lalaro dito sa show na to. So, nagpakain din pala yung MTG. Pag nakita nyo yung video ko nung kanina, syempre tumikim din tayo doon. Prep-friendly food din siya. Pwedeng gamitin ng mga athletes na pang carb up. So, yung binaon natin, parang ni-replace natin yung rice na binaon natin kasi sobrang lamot nung kain nila doon. Grabe, sarap. So guys, ito yung breakfast natin. Rice cakes and eggs. Peanut butter, syempre. Oha.
She burns the bridges in my head by lighting up a fire. Bury my old thoughts instead so you could feel the same. I live alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away to the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah. And we give you. Good in the morning light, reflections in my mind. Missing the fights, I don't care if I'm right. Let's just buy a bit more time. I live alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away till the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. Yeah, yeah. And we give you.
Bisita tayo sa booth ng LPG. Doon sila ng mga meal plan na prep friendly and yung patok sa mga.